Hi, good afternoon. My name is Victor Pandian, Digital Marketing Trainer from Learn Digital Academy. Today I'll be the instructor for you for the session. Let's talk about SEO. What is SEO? SEO is a process of growing the quality and quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of a website or a blog. How does search engine works? Search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or any other search engines have developed a program called Spider or bots. And Google call it as Google bots, also known as search engine bots. Basically, these search engine bots crawl the World Wide Web, www, and visit the publicly available website. This way, bots fetches the quality content that is stored in the data centers of search engine companies. Let's take an example. Let's go to Google and type buy mobile phone online. So you can see in my search toolbar of Google I have typed buy mobile phone online. So the moment I type this in the search engine result page, I'll tell you what is search engine result page. The moment someone types anything in the Google search toolbar, the result what you get on the first page or the page that you get the result, that is called search engine result page. The first section you can see the advertisement part. So basically Google has two kind of search that will happen. One will be ad based search, another one is SEO. So we'll also call it as SEM or PPC or Google Ads. Another one is called as SEO. So you can look at this. You can see ADS here. Yes. So this is an advertisement which is promoted by the advertisers from Samsung.com, Amazon.in, Samsung.com, Reliance Digital. So all these people, they have paid Google to promote their advertisement at the first position. So you can see all the search, you can see all the categories of mobile, and you can filter also from your left side. Now let's understand what is SEO. Other than the ads, whatever the result that you see on the search engine result page are called as SEO. Now let's check how it looks. Let's click on this Amazon link because they are the position at the first position. They are positioned at the first, ranked first. Let's click this. Okay. So you can see in this URL, there is something called as mobile phone. So that is the keyword these people have ranked. We'll also go in depth how many keywords that this particular page from Amazon people have ranked. So let's click Control U. Okay. So the moment you type Control U, we can see the coding that has happened here, and let's also click Control F and search for the keywords. Beautiful. Now can you see something as keyword that has been highlighted in orange color? This part. Okay, so they have ranked around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Amazon for this particular page they have ranked around 9 keywords. Buy mobile phone online, buy smartphones online, dual SIM phones, window phone, Android phone, touch screen phone, mobile phone accessories, Amazon and Amazon India. So in this way you can analyze your competitors and what are the keywords that they have ranked. Okay, let's go back to PPT. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a skill set to improve the visibility of website on organic search result to drive targeted traffic from search engine. It is also called as natural result or organic result. So in internet terms, organic means you won't be paying anything to advertisers or Google. Instead, you will be publishing your content, article, and promote it for the ranking purpose. And it should be a genuine content, not a copied content. So there are certain criteria while ranking your web page. Forms of SEO. SEO is divided into two forms. One is on-page SEO, another one is off-page SEO. On-page SEO, any optimization that you do on your web page which you want to rank, that is called on-page SEO. Off-page SEO, apart from on-page, whatever you do it on to optimize your web page, that is called off-page SEO. Thank you. That's it for now. Meet you in the next session.